Hey everyone! You know how much I love to laugh and smile, and I bet you do too. But sometimes, we forget that a healthy smile is about more than just appearances. Want a healthier smile? Your morning routine can make all the difference. It's like setting the tone for the whole day, right? And just like we nourish our bodies with good food and exercise, our teeth deserve some TLC too. So buckle up, because in 2025, we're sharing 5 morning habits to boost your dental health and keep your teeth strong. And hey, for a game-changing dental trick, check out the Navy Tooth Repair hack in the description. You won't want to miss it. Alright, let's kick things off with the basics. Brushing. You already knew this was coming, right? But here's the thing, aren't we all about doing things right in 2025? So grab your fluoride toothpaste, because that's our secret weapon against those pesky sugar bugs that build up overnight. Think of it like this. You wouldn't leave the house without washing your face in the morning, would you? Brushing is like a refreshing face wash for your teeth. It's all about removing that overnight plaque, which is like a sticky film that can lead to cavities and gum problems. Now here's the key. We're aiming for 2 minutes of gentle brushing with a soft bristled toothbrush. Don't go scrubbing away like you're trying to sand down a table. Be gentle, be thorough, and make sure you're getting every nook and cranny. Trust me, your pearly whites will thank you for it. And remember, a healthy smile starts with a good brushing routine. Okay friends, we've tackled the teeth, but there's another important player in your mouth that deserves some attention. Your tongue. Now I know it might sound a little strange, but trust me on this one, tongue scraping is a game changer for fresher breath and overall oral health. You see, our tongues can harbor bacteria just like our teeth, and that bacteria can lead to bad breath. Nobody wants that, right? So, think of a tongue scraper as a little squeegee for your tongue. It gently removes those unwanted guests, leaving your mouth feeling cleaner and fresher. It only takes about 30 seconds each morning, and it makes a world of difference. Plus, it can even help enhance your taste buds. Who wouldn't want to taste their food even more? So, add tongue scraping to your morning routine. Your breath will thank you, and your taste buds will be doing a happy dance. Alright folks, let's talk about the importance of starting your day with a big glass of H2O. That's right, plain old water. It might not sound as exciting as a latte or a smoothie, but trust me, water is a superhero for your smile. Think of it like this. When you wake up in the morning, your mouth is a little dry, right? That's because saliva production slows down while we sleep. And saliva is super important because it helps wash away food particles and neutralizes acids in our mouths. So, before you reach for that coffee or tea, start your day with a refreshing glass of water. It'll help rehydrate your mouth, wash away any lingering bacteria, and get your saliva flowing. Plus, it's a great way to kickstart your day and wake up your entire body. Water, it's simple, it's essential, and it's a major win for your smile. Okay, now that we've covered the importance of brushing, tongue scraping, and hydration, let's talk about what you're putting into your body. You know how much I love a good breakfast, and it turns out some breakfast foods are like superheroes for your teeth. One of my favorites, yogurt. It's packed with calcium, which is essential for strong enamel. And strong enamel means stronger, healthier teeth. Think of enamel as your teeth's protective shield against cavities. But yogurt isn't the only hero in town. We've also got eggs, which are another great source of protein and vitamin D, both important for your teeth and gums. And let's not forget about apples. They're crunchy and refreshing, and they actually help clean your teeth as you eat them. So, when you're planning your breakfast, think about adding some tooth-friendly options to your plate. Your smile will thank you. Alright folks, we're on the last step of our journey to a healthier smile, and this one might surprise you. We're going old school with a saltwater rinse. It might sound a little strange, but trust me, this simple practice can work wonders for your gums. You see, salt water is a natural disinfectant, and it can help reduce inflammation and promote healing. So if you're prone to gum irritation or you want to give your gums some extra love, a saltwater rinse is the way to go. It's super easy to do. Just mix a cup of warm water with about half a teaspoon of salt until it dissolves. Then, swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds and spit it out. Do this once a day, and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. Your gums will be happy, healthy, and ready to support that beautiful smile. So there you have it. 5 simple morning habits that can make a world of difference for your smile. Brush properly, scrape your tongue, drink water before coffee, enjoy a tooth-friendly breakfast, and give your gums some love with a saltwater rinse. Ready to transform your dental health with a revolutionary trick? Watch the Navy Tooth Repair Hack video linked in the description. It's a must-see for a stronger smile. And don't forget to subscribe for more dental health tips and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Remember, a healthy smile is a happy smile, and you deserve to smile brightly every single day.